everybody! Welcome to Gobblers Knob! I can't believe I'm really here! This is the place. This is the weather capital of the world, where Punxsutawney Phil, the groundhog, predicts the weather in the middle of winter. Well, let's see if he's home. Look at this. I found a lucky coin. It's $1 million in Groundhog. I feel lucky that he might be here. Phil, are you home? Hey, there he is now! Punxsutawney Phil would love to read a story with us here at Gobblers Knob at his famous tree stump. Come on over. Phil is I would say, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of prognosticators, the one and only weather predicting groundhog. Let's read about his story. Natasha Wing's The Night Before Groundhog Day. Art by Amy Woomer. Natasha Wing's The Night Before Groundhog Day, and it's a Grosset and Dunlap publication. 'Twas the night before Groundhog Day, and all through our town, everyone was waiting for tomorrow's countdown. Because in the morning, when all came together, a groundhog will wake up and forecast the weather. It's a very bright sunny day, his shadow he'll see. That means 6 more weeks of winter there'll be. But if it's cloudy and gray, his shadow won't appear. That's what I'm hoping for. It means spring will be here. At school we did crafts in our art classes. We made groundhog masks. Mine had a bow tie and glasses. We made pop-up puppets with flat sticks and cups. In my other video, you can learn how to do that. We learned baby groundhogs are called cubs, kits, or pups. We studied our climate, plus the 4 seasons. The weather changes for all kinds of reasons. Then, we all voted on what the news the groundhog would bring. Everyone but one boy said there'd be an early spring. I think he wants winter. I like winter, said Paul. I'm crazy for snow. Not me, I told him. This cold winter has got to go. At home after dinner, we baked special cupcakes. I added frosting and coconut flakes. We hung our wool hats on hooks with great care. We'll be ready to celebrate come foul weather or fair. That night, I burrowed all snug in my bed, while visions of groundhogs danced in my head. It's early in the morning. At last, Groundhog Day! It's not sunny at all, but will the clouds stay? My family bundles up and heads to town square, where a crowd's already gathering. There's music in the air. The band starts playing the groundhog song. When it comes to the chorus, the crowd sings along. I look up at the sky. Oh no, the sun's coming out! Come back, clouds, I beg with a shout. Excuse me, says a news reporter. What's your prediction? Spring, no winter. He reports, we have a contradiction. Grown-ups in top hats soon appear on the stage. The mayor reads a proclamation from a fancy scrolled page. Then we all begin counting backwards from 10, waiting for the groundhog to pop out of his den. The crowd loudly chants, "Wake up from your nap!" The mayor waves her cane and gives the den a good tap. Can you count down from 10? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give a good tap. But what to our eyes should appear at last but the official predictor to make his forecast? His eyes so sleepy, his cheeks so round, he finally comes out from under the ground. Does he see a shadow? The world wants to know. Will there be spring or 6 weeks of snow? I wonder what's going to happen this year. Phil sees his shadow. If you watch Punxsutawney Phil on February 2nd, which is the actual Groundhog Day, you'll find out what the weather's going to be for the next 6 weeks. Good luck. What will you vote for, spring or more winter? Happy Groundhog Day. Thanks for coming to Storytime. Bye.